At this time, I'm going to ask the prosecution to call their first witness. Okay, Your Honor. Big Wayne.
Me?
Yes. Big Wayne.
Yeah.
State your name for the record.
My name Big Wayne, you know, just call me name.
Okay. State your real name for the record, please.
No Big Wayne. Oh, my favorite I use if it no real. What did I idiot, ya man?
Okay. Big Wayne. On the night of September 18th, where were you?
Oh, you mean when me did that? Me did the rule with the general.
Whatever.
Tell me. Did you at any time?
Excuse me?
Hold on, darling, hold on. Let me handle this. Hold on. I know.
Oh no, girl. The whole on now wicked. I saw no go on when you can't use people. You no can't take daddy for idiot.
Did you know, Mr. Big Wayne, that as you speak, you can be cited for misogyny?
How name Mr. Johnny? Me not know him.
So far, you have proven to me that my stress radar is in perfect working condition as I am picking up stress of epidemic proportions right now. And it is very obvious that your cognitive neurological brain function seem to be impaired.
Me lost. I saw no love come a chat with no whole heap of big word.
Big Wayne, what is your opinion of Raquel? You've seen her? Hold on.
Sense.
Just a second. You've seen her on numerous occasions visiting with Rodney. What has led you to such a conclusion?
Liar boy. Stop going like a idiot, no man. Them girl ya. All if you have no eye, no foot, no ears, no cocky. For me have your money, everything alright. Them no business if you can't fuck again. Them and go and know say you can't broke again. It make you see the whole of them a double click pan killer. I dream of him money. So when you see him go left click and delete them, you can't wrong him.
You mean right click?
Some clicking go on.
Hold
on, no man. All if I did all suffer a dog like me. Me can't see them the pussy there. Me can't go see them pussy there pan Blue movie. Them nah fuck no poor man.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Go suck your mother, girl.
Hold on a second. So you condoning? You condoning the physical abuse of women?
Me nah condone it, but I don't know him a beat her. A regular she run a work and a play 100 grand a thump. True, that the same nah give her no more money. It reach ya so.
So you do admit to this court right now, Mr. Big Wayne, that Rodney has physically abused this woman?
Then not she want beat now. She come in like what she name that? Tyson girl. What she name again?
You mean Robin Givens?
Yeah, Robin Griffin. The wicked girl. Go see the man and knock out people in the first 3 seconds of the first round. And go love him off. Then when she get beaten now, she want the world for sorry for her. If you not go prison that you not for prison that girl you too.
Prison my client?
Yeah.
On what grounds?
How you say grounds, pussy, how you ramp with?
Leave me the fuck alone.
Hey girl, no give me no chat, go chuck to your mama.
Fuck off.
A bad driver no one bad drive daddy. I show the man now pull over.
So again the question must be raised. That are you condoning the physical abuse of my client or any other woman that was unfortunate enough to meet the acquaintance of Rodney?
Never done talk.
Hold on.
A them one beaten.
Hold on.
A them one beaten.
He had a right to beat her with a hammer then. Is that what you say?
Let me tell you this. Them girls not talk the truth. And the shovel them used to use. At him start got church with the mother. That's why him start use the hammer. A regular him used to throw a 3 bag of cement pan them. And them round there take it and not say nothing. I chew them take where the range and things tighten up. Make you see them a go on so.
Okay, Wayne. Tell the court, because I want to know and they're curious. You and Softy on this very night was outside the bedroom and you heard my client's screams and ignored it completely?
So me if you hear girl scream in a bedroom and go kick off door. When girl scream in a bedroom, I fuck them, I fuck ya idiot. And a man, ya man.
Okay. Let me ask you. Because you stated previously or insinuated that my client is some kind of gold digger.
Prostitute.
Okay. Fair enough. Wayne, how would you describe your relationship to Bounty?
What kind of relationship you come talk about me and Daddy?
It's not that.
Man, you miss a big word. You know say you're a batty boy.
You know that if it were not for the spirit that directs my path, the very same spirit, I might add, that laid the very cornerstone in the foundation of intelligence, I would have succumbed to the injuries of your ignorance. Would loyalty be the adjective that you use to describe the friendship with you and Rodney?
What you mean, man loyal?
Could you give me a detailed description of your occupation?
What you mean?
What's your job around Rodney?
And me response to keep off the pussy them going like them want run in pan the general.
Okay. Couple months ago, you were involved in a stabbing incident at a popular nightclub, with you, by the way, on the receiving end of that stab. Am I correct?
Objection, Your Honor. That's so not relevant. Where's he going with this?
What the fuck? Objection sustained. Prosecution. Get to the point. Okay, Your Honor. Wayne. With Killer's reputation of being a sociopathic, selfish, cross, miserable person, what sustains your loyalty to such a man?
A whole heap of people are pray the man them way there, but I show them not know him. Killer is just a man where him powerful, yeah, man.
What you mean?
A young man, me see hate everybody and everybody like him. Me no know what me for hobby or what. All me come in like me a idiot more time. You know, see a same so cartel come.
Like father, like son.
Also man, me see a try follow Killer sometime and him know in a them. Come more time with there some show. And when Killer ready, Killer not tell nobody. Him just left. And him not tell no man say my left. Them have to just watch till him a left and run him down. More time some of them dive all in a some wrong car where them do even coming. Next morning them wake up in a people full cub. Me see all man run left them girl gone behind Killer make man fuck that. No sir. If I know be a this me no know what. Come in like me an idiot. Man I'll stab me up over Killer.
So after all of that, you get any justice?
To the amount of man when me see write song for Killer, I no get no justice of y'all sing songs till them want feed them own. Then a me when I write no song I go get justice. That man, yeah, man.
So you admit that you bear this tremendous burden, this tribulation under the regime of this introvert in the name of loyalty? Would you have otherwise done so without all the accolades attributed to the general?
I have no skill than them thing there, that man, yeah, man.
I seriously cannot imagine you hooked on phonics.